Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to make money with a design blog. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. If you're a designer, there's a good chance you've considered ways to make money online with a design website. There is nothing better than getting paid to do something you are passionate about. In this video, we'll explore 3 of the most popular methods: designing websites, creating and selling designs, and promoting affiliate products. First, let's talk about designing websites. If you want to make money by designing websites, it's imperative that you create sites that will attract clients. To do this, your site must be professional and visually appealing. It should also be easy to navigate and contain relevant, up-to-date content. Furthermore, your site should be optimized for search engines so that potential clients can easily find you online. To be successful in this field, it's important to create a professional portfolio of your work. This will show potential clients what you're capable of and help them decide whether you're the right person for the job. When creating your portfolio, be sure to include examples of both simple and complex designs and a variety of different types of websites. Another important aspect is to offer services that clients are actually willing to pay for. Some popular services include website creation, graphic design, logo design, and SEO optimization. If you can offer multiple services, all the better. This will give clients more reasons to hire you and increase your earning potential. Next, let's talk about creating and selling designs. To make money by creating and selling designs, you'll need to find a profitable niche. The best way to do this is to research popular design trends and find a niche that's underserved. Once you've found a niche, it's important to create designs that are both unique and appealing to your target market. To create designs that sell, you'll need to create high-quality designs that are both unique and appealing to your target market. Additionally, you'll need to price your designs competitively in order to attract buyers. Once you've created some great designs, it's time to start selling them. There are a number of popular online marketplaces where you can sell your designs, such as Redbubble and Society6, or you can promote your designs on social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest. Finally, let's talk about promoting affiliate products. As a designer, you can make money online by joining affiliate programs. By finding and joining relevant programs, you can promote products on your website and earn commissions for referrals. There are many different affiliate programs available, so it's important to find ones that are relevant to your niche. For example, if you design websites for businesses, you could promote products such as web hosting or domain names. If you specialize in graphic design, you could promote products such as stock photos or design templates. To find relevant affiliate programs, simply search for keywords related to your niche. For example, If you're a web designer, you could search for Web Design Affiliate Program. Once you find some programs that look promising, sign up and start promoting products on your website. The best way to do this is to write honest reviews of the products you're promoting. Be sure to include affiliate links in your reviews so that readers can easily purchase the products. There you have it, 3 ways to make money with a design website. Whether you're looking to make money by designing websites, creating and selling designs, or promoting affiliate products, there are plenty of opportunities out there. If you're serious about making money as a designer online, it's important to create a professional portfolio. Offer services that clients need, and be familiar with SEO and other best practices. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on Earnings 101 channel. And visit our website, www.earnings101.com for more information on how to make money online.